National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western George County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, southwestern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, Stone County in southeastern Mississippi, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Poplarville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wiggins and Perkinston. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: George, Greene, Perry, and Stone. What?